Okay, if you'll remember last time we had started with the 6th chapter and we've already done a few sums. So I think it's good. I think we can continue from where we left off last time. Okay. Yes. Last time I'd taken some simple numbers to do the sums. This time, let's do a few more. Okay. Let's start with the third sum. Okay, y square plus 24y plus 144. Yes, would anyone like to help out in this sum? There's only one student with their hands raised. Anybody else would be interested in doing the sum? Okay, let me try finding someone. Okay, let's try Shreya. Hello, Shreya. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, yes, Shreya. You
Hello.
remember we had done this from last time?
Your voice.
It's not
Hello.
proper. Hello.
Hello.
Okay. Let's try Nishita. Hello, Nishita.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hello?
You can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you remember last time we had done a sum like this, no?
Yes.
You remember the first step?
We have to multiply the first and the last number.
What is the first number here?
1.
What is the last number?
144.
What is the multiplication?
144.
Okay. After that, what did we do?
We started factorizing them.
Okay. So if you remember, we started with 1 ka table. 1 into 144. Acha, what is the last sign here?
Plus.
So should we add them and get 24 or should we subtract and get 24?
We should add them and get 24.
So 1 and 144 is not working.
Yes.
Can you think of any other numbers? Factors of 144 which add and give you 24?
12 plus 12.
Very good. So if you all know 12 square is 144, the 12 into 12. And what is 12 plus 12?
24.
Okay. So you remember how to write this?
Yes.
Hmm.
Y square
And ending mein?
plus 144.
Okay. What happens to 24y?
12y and 12y.
Did we add and get 24 or did we subtract and get 24?
We added them and we got 24.
So signs are same or different?
Same.
Which sign will both get?
Plus.
This sign will go to both. So both will get plus. Correct?
Yes.
After that, if you remember, we used to write y square as y into y
Yes.
plus
12 into y.
plus
12 into y.
plus this 12 should come here also. So how can I write 144 as?
12 multiplied by 12.
Okay. What will come common here?
Y.
Y will come common. So if y comes outside, what remains inside?
Y plus 12.
Okay. What will come common here?
12.
Okay. So what to write outside?
2 plus 12.
Plus 12. And inside?
12. Y plus 12.
Correct. Y plus 12. So finally, both of them will go out. So what will remain inside?
Y plus 12.
Okay. Why didn't you raise your hand before? Hello.
Hello.
You didn't raise your hand, no?
Yes, sir.
Hence, raise your hand to answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I hope you'll have understood. We revised quickly what we done last time. Okay, I picked one from GB Nagar. Let me pick someone from Ghatkopar now. Mm, okay, let me try a Manthan. Hello, Manthan. Okay, Manthan is not unmuting. Okay, let's try Param from Ghatkopar. Hello, Param. Okay, let's try Adil from Ghatkopar. Okay, so Manthan, Param, and Adil, I'll have to speak to you all later because you all don't answer.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. My mic was not able to unmute, so I tried it now.
Okay, but now it's working, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, let me just erase this. We'll take one more sum now.
Okay.
Let's try. Let's try the seventh question.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so m square minus 23m plus 120. What is the first step?
So we have to write m square.
Hmm.
We have to
First step is,
add
what is
m
the first
square
step? First, tell me that.
1 into 12. We have to
1 into
multiply.
12 nahi, 120 hai na?
120, sir.
So 1 into 120 is 120.
Yes.
अच्छा, 120 का ऐसा factor. What is the last sign here?
Plus.
Add करके 23 आना चाहिए या subtract करके 23 आना
Add.
चाहिए? Okay. Fine. So क्या करें अभी?
We have 1 into 120.
1 into 120. Okay. Add करके नहीं दे रहा है 23. तो फिर क्या करना
Yes.
चाहिए?
We should take another number.
2.
2.
2 into
60.
अच्छा, my suggestion is 120 के साथ आप जब करोगे ना तो बहुत सारे possibilities है, बहुत सारे factors आएंगे.
Yes.
तो ऐसे केस में let me give you a different way. अगर बड़ा number है ना last वाला, then rather go for factorization like this. Let's factorize it. So
Yes.
how do you suggest we factorize?
260. 2.
60. Then
2 into 30.
30. Then
2 into 15.
okay. Then
3 into 5.
3 into 5. And last
5 into 1.
5 into 1. So can I say yes 120 अगर चाहिए तो ये सारे छोटे numbers को multiply करेंगे तो आ जाएगा. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 5s are 120.
Yes.
So these are the factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. समझा?
हाँ.
ये
Okay.
हमेशा नहीं करने का, बड़ा नंबर आएगा तो ही करने का. Now what you will do is, do you agree we need to make it into two parts?
Yes.
तो ये पांचों को ऐसा डिवाइड करो कि दो पार्ट्स बने. फॉर एग्जांपल, let me try and keep this separate and this separate. तो सारे 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 इधर आएगा और इधर 5 आएगा. Okay, so tell me what is this multiplication?
2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8,
8
8
3s
3s are 24.
24 और यहाँ पे 5 है.
5.
Is this giving me 23?
No.
Okay, so कुछ और सोचना पड़ेगा. तो ऐसा डिवीजन नहीं, कुछ और सोचो. 5 ये सब में से 5 को कुछ दे दो.
3.
3 देते हैं तो इधर क्या बच जाएगा? ओनली 2 2 into 2 2 into 2 into 2, तो व्हाट विल दैट बिकम?
8
और यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 3 into 5, व्हाट विल दैट बिकम?
15.
अच्छा, अब इन दोनों को ऐड करके चेक करो 23 दे रहा है या नहीं.
Yes sir.
इज इट गिविंग 23?
Yes.
तो समझा, बड़ा नंबर आएगा तो हाउ वी कैन गो अहेड.
Yes sir.
अच्छा, नाउ टेल मी व्हाट टू राइट हियर.
M square minus
साइन बाद में.
M square 8M
8m
15M
15m
120.
प्लस 120. अब मुझे बताओ, ऐड करके 23 आया, सब्ट्रैक्ट करके?
Add.
तो साइन सेम है या डिफरेंट है?
Same.
सेम. ऐड करेंगे तो साइन सेम होता है. और ये मिडिल साइन दोनों को जाएगा, तो दोनों को क्या
Yes.
मिलेगा?
Minus.
माइनस. ओके, फिर याद है मैंने सिखाया कैसा लिखने का?
M square
एम स्क्वायर को आई टोल्ड यू m into m लिख
M
सकते
into M.
हैं. माइनस
8 into M.
माइनस
15 into
15
M.
into m. और अभी यहाँ पे हम लोग को पता चला कि इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करें तो 120 आता है ना.
Yes.
तो कहना है
8 into
15 into 8 या 8 into 15 जैसे भी.
Yes.
ठीक है. ओके, नाउ टेल मी व्हाट टू टेक कॉमन फ्रॉम दीज टू.
M.
m. m बाहर आएगा तो अंदर क्या बचेगा?
M minus 8.
इधर से क्या कॉमन आएगा?
15.
15. साइन कौन सा लिखे इधर?
Minus.
-15. अंदर में m प्लस 8 लिखूं या m माइनस 8 लिखूं?
M plus. M minus. Sorry.
माइनस कैसे? ये प्लस का माइनस कैसे हो गया?
M plus.
नहीं, माइनस करेक्ट है.
Minus
रीजन
into plus is equal to minus.
हाँ, बेसिकली अगर माइनस बाहर जाता है मिडिल साइन चेंज होता है. विल राइट इट एज m प्लस का
Minus.
माइनस इसलिए होगा क्योंकि माइनस बाहर गया ना,
हाँ.
ये वाला. ठीक है. So do you notice both of them are same?
Yes.
If I write m minus 8 outside, बचेगा क्या?
M minus 15.
करेक्ट. समझ गया परम?
Yes sir.
Okay, great. Let's continue. Thanks, Param. Okay, let's move on to another branch then. Okay, Saidham. Let's try Ria. Hello, Ria from Saidham. Okay, Ria is not. Let's try Shreyas then. Shreyas. Hello, Shreyas. Okay. Shreyas and Ria are not answering. Okay, let me try Manmeet. Hello, Manmeet.
Yes, sir.
Ah, yes. Will you help me in the next sum?
Yes, sir.
Just a second. Okay. Let's continue. Okay, next. Let me see. Okay, let's pick one more sum from like this with a big number, and that we'll be doing 8th sum. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So 8th question is m square minus 25m plus 100. Okay. So what is the first step?
So we have to add first and last number.
Add or multiply?
Sorry, sir. Multiply. Yes, sir.
So what is 1 into 100?
100.
अच्छा, 100 को अगर आपको चाहिए तो ऐसा करो 1 into 100, 2 into 50 ऐसा करते जाओ, और वी डू इट दिस वे. ठीक है, दोनों भी ठीक है, बट सिंस 100 इज अ बिग नंबर, लेट्स गो फॉर दिस मेथड सो वी गेट टू प्रैक्टिस. ओके. अच्छा, मुझे बताओ, फैक्टर्स को ऐड करके 25 चाहिए, सब्ट्रैक्ट करके 25 चाहिए?
Sir, we have to add and get 25.
How do you come to know that?
So because plus sign is be-
Last
between
sign is plus.
25 and 100. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So help me to factorize 100.
So 10 into 10.
No, we have to use only prime factors. 10 is not a prime number.
So
2
2,
will not work. 2. 2 how much?
50.
50. Then
225, sir.
225. Then
5 5, sir.
5 5s. And
5
last
5 1, sir.
1. So the factors are 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. But you
Yes,
have to make 2 branches, no?
yes, sir.
So now you suggest ये branch में and ये branch में क्या क्या जाना चाहिए?
So in first branch, we should write 2 into 2 into 5,
Okay,
and in second, only 5.
only 5. So what is this multiplication?
20.
20, and this is 5.
Yes, sir.
Is it adding and giving me 25?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how do we write this?
Sir, m square,
Hmm.
20m, 5m plus 100.
Plus 100. Did we add and get 25 or did we subtract and get 25?
We add and get 25.
So the signs are same or different?
Same,
So which sign will go to both?
minus sign.
Yes, this sign will go to both. So minus, minus. Now how do we write the last sign? The next step.
M into m,
Hmm.
minus 20 into m,
Okay.
minus 5 into m,
Hmm.
and plus 20 into 5.
Very good. What is common in these two?
Sir, m.
Okay. So if m comes outside, what remains?
M minus 20.
What is common in these two?
5.
Okay. And what is the sign to write outside?
So minus. Minus.
Minus 5. So what remains inside?
Sir, m plus 5. Plus minus minus.
Arre,
Plus
5
into
5 gaya na? Why are you saying m plus 5?
m
5
plus
and
20. 20, sir.
But what did I tell you? When minus
Minus.
goes outside, sign changes.
Yes.
So
M
what should
minus
I write?
20.
Minus 20. So both of them are same. I
Yes,
will
sir.
put m minus 20 outside. So what will remain inside?
M minus 5.
M minus 5. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, done with Saidam. Now let's try Parla. Parla. Okay, Aryan. Hello, Aryan from Parla. Hello. Okay, Aryan has gone. Okay, let me try Himani from Parla. Hello, Himani.
Hello, sir.
Hello, yes. You'll help me in the next sum now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 second. So we are done with the big numbers also. Now next, let me try. Okay, the fourth sum someone has asked for. So let's practice that. It says 5y square plus 5y and minus 10. Okay. Now what is the first
Yes,
step?
sir.
Mani, what is the first step?
Sir, we have to multiply first and last number.
That means which two numbers we have to multiply?
Yes, sir.
Which two numbers we have to multiply?
Sir, 5y square and
Plus
minus
5.
10.
Just 5, no?
Yes, sir.
And 10. Okay. So 5 tens are we'll get 50 and we can do the sum, but always check. See, till now, whatever sum we were doing, do you agree? Y square, x square, m square, sab akela rehta. There was no number here, which was basically 1.
Yes, sir.
But now, if there is a number, always try to see if you can make the sum easy by just taking 5 common from all the 3 parts. Tell me, the first number, it's 5 only, no?
Yes, sir.
What is the second number?
5.
Acha, third number, does it also come in 5 ka table?
Yes, sir.
So let me try by, I can, if I do this step, if I try to take common from everything, it will make the sum very easy. See how I do it. I write 5 into y square plus 5 into y minus 5 into 2 is 10, no?
Yes, sir.
So what is common in all 3?
5.
5. So I'm circling 5 and I'm taking it outside. So if I take
Yes,
5
sir.
outside, what remains inside?
Y square plus y minus 2.
Okay. So if 5 हर step में बाहर ही रहने दो अभी. This will always remain outside. Why? Because it was common in
Yes,
all 3.
sir.
Now this sum has become very easy. Now tell me, what is the first step? This is the normal sum. So what is the first step again?
Y square plus y. One
No,
minute,
what is the
sir.
first step?
5 bracket.
No, I'm not
Y square
talking about that.
plus y.
अगर सिर्फ सम इतना होता y square plus y minus 2 बाहर 5 नहीं होता, then how do you solve this sum? What is the first step of solving this sum? जो आपने इधर बोला था ना?
Sir, we have to factorize.
हाँ.
First, we
So
have to multiply first and last number.
what is the first number here?
Y square.
अरे y square number है क्या? What is the
1,
number?
sorry.
1. हाँ. And what is the last number?
1. 2.
समझा? Same logic here. 5 is outside. Forget that. Inside the bracket, यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे 2 है. What is 1 into 2?
2.
2. So यहाँ से करते थे तो 50 आ रहा था. Do you agree 50 से ज़्यादा 2 easy है?
Yes, sir.
So 2 का tell me what are the only factors?
1 and 2.
Correct. And tell me last sign क्या है अभी?
Minus.
तो इन दोनों को ऐड करके मिडिल नंबर 1 आना चाहिए, या दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करके मिडिल नंबर 1 आना चाहिए?
Minus.
माइनस करके. तो व्हाट इज 2 minus 1?
1.
तो आ रहा है ना मिडिल नंबर.
Yes, sir.
So 5 will remain outside in every step. Do you agree this y square I'll write it as it is?
Yes, sir.
Minus 2 as it is.
Yes, sir.
But इसको क्या लिखेंगे?
Plus 2y plus 2y minus 1y.
Okay. आपने साइन भी बता दिया है, बट एक्चुअली साइन एक बार डिस्कस कर लेते हैं in case somebody needs to understand. Tell me, did we
Yes,
add
sir.
them or did we subtract them?
We subtract them.
तो signs are same or different?
Different.
So the plus will go to the bigger one or the smaller one?
Bigger one.
Correct. तो plus इसको गया तो obviously छोटे वाले को minus आ गया.
Yes, sir.
Now let's keep 5 outside. Can you tell me what is common in these two?
Y.
अच्छा, but before that I'll just, in case somebody is finding it difficult, मैं इसको थोड़ा elaborate form में लिख देता हूँ. तो ये y square को I'll write y into
Y
y.
multiply y.
This will
Plus
be
2 multiplied by y.
minus y.
Minus y. Minus 2.
अच्छा, अब बताओ इन दोनों में क्या common है?
Y.
So if y is common, y बाहर आएगा तो अंदर क्या बचेगा?
Y plus 2.
y plus 2. What is common in these two?
1.
Correct. जब कुछ common
No,
नहीं था,
sir, nothing. हाँ.
nothing means
1.
1. ठीक है, common में remember if there is nothing common, 1 is correct. So middle sign minus, so I'll write minus. Then I'll
Yes,
write
sir.
1. अब अंदर should I write y minus 2 or should I write y plus 2?
Y plus 2.
Very good. Y plus 2. Can you see y plus 2 is same?
Yes, sir.
If I write y plus 2 outside, what will remain?
Y minus 1.
So this is the answer. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Thanks, Iman.
Thank you, sir.
So I hope you all have understood कि अगर starting में number रहता है, always try and see if it common आ सकता है नहीं आ सकता then do it normally. Okay, let's do one more sum. Okay, done with Parla. So I think we can go for Vikhroli now. Okay, Harshlata disappeared when I took Vikhroli's name. Shravani, let's try Shravani. Hello, Shravani from Vikhroli. Hello, Shravani. Okay, Shravani is not answering. Let's try Krishna. Krishna from Vikhroli. Not answering. Harshlata. So nobody wants to answer from Vikhroli. Okay, Dhruv wants to answer. Dhruv is always only one who wants to answer from Vikhroli. Hello, Dhruv.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
sir.
We will be doing the 9th sum now.
Okay, sir.
Yes, so the question is 3x square plus 14x plus 15. Correct? What is the first
Okay,
step?
sir. First, we have to multiply both the A and C number, that is 3 into 15.
अच्छा, but before that I told you अगर इसके साथ number है then try taking that 3 common. 3 common लेने के लिए हर एक चीज 3 का टेबल में आना चाहिए. This is तो 3 itself. Tell me, क्या 14 3 के टेबल में आता है?
No, sir.
15 आता है, but 14 तो नहीं आता ना. तो if 3 is not there in all 3, then we can't take 3 common. Then we have to follow the normal step. So you told me you have to multiply 3 and 15. What is 3 into 15?
Yes, sir.
What is, you're checking, no?
$25, sir.
Sorry, how much? Hello. What did you get 3 into 15?
Sorry. $52.
Sorry? Hello.
Hello?
How much is 3 into 15?
Hello?
Hello, but फटाफट बताओ answer.
Yes, sir.
So what is 3 into 15?
Uh, 55.
Check again. Multiplication.
Hello, sir.
Check your
Yes, sir.
multiplication again.
Hello, sir.
What is the answer? Hello.
45, sir. Hello, sir.
Correct, 45. Okay. So now you want to follow this method or do you want to factorize? Which do you prefer?
Factorize, sir.
Acha, so tell me which number.
45.
2 से
Three
जाएगा
जा.
क्या? 3 जा. 3 15 जा ना? इधर ही लिखा है ना 3 into
Yes,
15.
sir.
15
Yeah.
which table में?
3.
3. 3 how much are? 3 how much are?
5 are
5 are. And last is
5.
5 ones are.
1.
Correct?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So that means 3 into 3 into 5. So tell me what will come in this branch and what will come in this branch.
3 into 3 and the other branch will come 5.
Okay. What is 3 into 3?
9.
And this is 5.
Yes, sir.
Are we supposed to add them? See, look at the last sign. Are we supposed to add them or subtract them?
Add them.
Add them. Okay. So tell me what is the addition of 9 and 5?
14.
So is it proper?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me how to write the next step now.
3 into x.
No, 3x square is proper. And ending
Yes,
of 15 is proper. So how to write 14x
Okay,
now?
sir. Now plus 9,
Sign बाद में, पहले numbers.
9 and 5
9x and
5x.
okay. Now tell me, did we add and get 14 or did we subtract and get 14?
Add and get 14.
So signs are same or different?
Different.
Adding में signs are same.
Okay, sir.
Tell me one
Same.
more time. Addition में signs are same or different?
Same.
Different कब होता है?
During minus.
Correct. So now, if the signs are same, do you agree this will go to both?
Yes, sir.
So what will be दोनों का signs?
Plus.
Plus. Okay. अच्छा, now when we are taking common, यहाँ पे number है ना, पहले x square रहता था, then we would write x into x. So now we'll have to write it like this: 3 into x into x. Correct?
Okay, sir.
अच्छा, 9 को can I break
9
it into
into
something
x.
so that 3 रहे 3? 3 आना चाहिए ना इधर common. So
Yes,
9
sir.
को
3
how can we
into
write?
3.
हाँ, very good.
3 into 3.
3
into
into
x.
x. Plus ये है 5 into x. और इधर 5 चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
So 15 को what to write?
3 5s are 3
3
into
into
5.
5. Correct. So now tell me what all is common here.
X.
Anything else?
3.
3. Anything else?
No.
Okay. So 3x we'll write outside. So what will remain inside?
X plus 3.
Okay. What is common here?
5.
So plus 5 if I write it outside. What to write inside?
X minus 3.
Minus कैसा?
Sorry, sir. Plus.
X plus 3 is same. So what to write inside?
5 plus 3.
Okay. Sorry, what did you say?
Sorry. 5 minus. The sign changes, no?
No. If these two are gone out, then these two remain, no?
Yes, sir.
So tell me these two, in ये साथ में मिलके क्या बनेगा?
3 plus 5.
3 अकेला है या x नहीं दिख रहा है?
3x plus 5. Sir, I didn't understood that sign on.
So 3x bracket x plus 3 plus 5 bracket x plus 3. दोनों in these two, can you see x plus c? This is common.
Yes, sir.
So if I write x plus 3 outside, जो common बाहर चला गया, these two went outside. So can you see these two are remaining now inside?
Oh, okay, sir.
So these two means 3x plus 5.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, fine then. Yes, Nishant
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Yeah. Hello. Mm. Hello, Nishant sir.
Yes, sir.
Should I continue?
Sir, Sanskrit ma'am has entered the lecture.
Okay, because I'm done. If I start one more sum, it will take another 5-10 minutes. So that's why I thought I'll ask.
No, sir, you can step over here.
Okay, fine. Okay, students, what you all do right now is, whatever sums are remaining from this practice set, solve this, and next time we can discuss the doubts. Okay, and we start with 6.2. Okay, then I'll see you all. Okay, thank you, Nishant sir.
Thank you, sir.